Nothing is free. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This story is only a few minutes long, but the lesson inside it can help you for the rest of your life. So, watch till the end and discover a powerful truth that can change the way you think about success. In a small village, there lived a boy named Ravi who always looked for easy ways to get things. He believed that success, money, and happiness could come without hard work. Whenever he saw someone successful, he thought they were simply lucky. Ravi spent most of his days dreaming about a better future instead of working for it. One day, he heard about a wise old man who lived near a forest. People said that the old man knew the secret of success. Curious and excited, Ravi decided to visit him. The next morning, Ravi walked to the wise man's house and asked, "Can you tell me the secret of success?" The wise man smiled and replied, "Come back tomorrow morning." Although Ravi was surprised, he agreed and returned the next day. This time, the wise man handed him a small bag of seeds and said, "Plant these seeds and take care of them every day." Ravi was disappointed. He had expected a simple answer, not work. However, he took the seeds home and planted them. Every day, he watered them, removed weeds, and protected the soil. Days passed, but nothing happened. Ravi became impatient. He thought about giving up. He went back to the wise man and complained, "I have been working every day, but nothing is growing." The wise man calmly asked, "Did you stop watering the seeds?" "No," Ravi replied. "Then keep going," the wise man said. Ravi returned home and continued caring for the seeds. A few weeks later, tiny green plants finally appeared. Ravi felt excited and motivated. He continued working hard every day. As the months passed, the plants grew into strong trees. Eventually, the trees produced delicious fruits. Ravi took the fruits to the market and sold them. To his surprise, he earned more money than he had ever earned before. Filled with gratitude, Ravi returned to thank the wise man. The wise man asked, "What did you learn?" Ravi replied, "I learned that success takes time." The wise man smiled and asked, "What else?" After thinking for a moment, Ravi answered, "I learned that hard work is necessary." The wise man nodded and said, "That is the real secret." Then he continued, "Nothing valuable is free. Every reward has a price. Success demands effort. Knowledge demands study. Health demands discipline. Respect demands good character." At that moment, Ravi finally understood. From that day forward, he stopped searching for shortcuts. Instead, he worked hard, stayed patient, and remained consistent in everything he did. Years later, Ravi became one of the most successful people in the village. People often asked him, "What is the secret of your success?" Ravi always gave the same answer. Nothing is free in life. If you want something valuable, you must be willing to pay the price through effort, patience, and dedication. And that simple lesson changed his life forever. Moral of the story: nothing valuable comes free. Every success requires hard work, patience, consistency, and dedication.